Hey guys, okay, I want to talk to you a little bit about highlighting and contouring and why you should not be afraid of it. There are so many videos out there that make highlighting and contouring look so difficult. Like so many steps, so many different products, concealer, foundation, like, oh my goodness, bronzer, contour, highlight, illuminator, like it's just, there's so much to it. And like put little dots here and little dots here and little dots here and then lines there and lines there. And it's just, it's madness. And then layer upon layer upon layer. And I know for me, before I found Maskcara Beauty Makeup, I was like, I could never do that. Not so much that I didn't want to learn, but more that like I didn't want to invest the money in that. I didn't want to spend $20 per product or 30 or 40 or whatever they are per product to create this and then have so much makeup on my face. I could not do that. So when I found Maskcara Beauty Makeup, this was before the Amazing Artist opportunity happened. So I've been wearing this makeup for like about 3 years and it simplified everything. I had no idea what I was doing. I would wear drugstore makeup and I just was like, nope, I can't do this. Like, I only know how to put on liquid foundation, blush, and call it a day. Maybe bronzer if I was lucky. And so with this, I was like, okay, it's like a 4-step thing. It's one layer. It's basically like paint by number. I think I can manage to do this. So let me show you. This is how the products come. This is just our basic kit. This is the quad, and it holds your foundation, your blush, your contour, okay? You can mix and match too if you want to do just one foundation, because I like to do a lighter color underneath my eyes than my main foundation color. So you could do just one and then you could add an illuminator to it, or you can add a bronzer to it, whatever you want. It's nice because everything's customizable. And then you can get a palette that holds 4, 8, 10, 16, like however big you want. There are compacts that hold that. So I want to show you guys how easy it is to highlight and contour with Maskcara Beauty Makeup. So I'm going to take my lighter color foundation, my lighter highlight color, and I'm going to go right underneath my eyes. Okay. And then I'm just going to blend that out, kind of go to the bottom of my nose and up a little bit, like the little triangle. And I only dipped it in, this is my second time of dipping it in, and it was just super light. You use very, very little product. It may look like nothing is in here, but I promise you, these colors will last you 2 to 3 months. This will last you easily a year, and this will last you about 4 to 6 months. So a long time, because a little goes a long way with this product. Okay, now I'm taking my main color and I'm gonna put it on my face where my contour and my blush doesn't go, because once again, we are only creating one layer of makeup. We don't want to put tons and tons of makeup on. We want it to look like a second skin on our face. Make it be able to move with our face, make it feel like we don't have any makeup on, give us that healthy glow to our skin. That's what we want this makeup to do. So it's great for any age. I have seen people look like 10 years younger just by wearing this, and so many people get compliments because they're like, your skin is just glowing. And that is what it does. Not oily, glowing. There's a difference, you guys. Okay. We're going to spread this, like I said, everywhere that besides where the blush and the contour is going to go. And I'm just kind of blending as I go. That's what I like to do. I like to blend it, make sure it's all nice, and then I move on to the next. Okay, and then you can wipe off in between if you want. I'm just going to, there's not a whole lot of product left on this, so now I'm going to dip it into my contour color. Okay, and I'm going to go right underneath my cheekbones. Okay, both sides. And then I'll go back and blend it, and then top of my forehead. And this one I just kind of blend as I put on though. And then if I feel like, oh, I need some more, I'll go back in, add just a little bit more. Bring it down about to about where my eyebrows are. I don't bring it too far, like down all the way. And then I go just a little bit underneath my jawline. Okay, and then I take this and I just blend it, and always blend up on your cheeks because you're wanting to lift those cheekbones. Okay, and then here, and then I just kind of tap too to make sure it's all filled in and it's all blended. See that? So pretty, right? Okay, now we're going to take our blush. This color is Sandstone, and I love it for fall. If you do not have it, I highly, highly recommend getting it. It's kind of like a burnt orangish red color, but it goes on so pretty, especially for fall colors. And then I add like a bronzer on top, and it just gives me this like bronze glow to my skin, and I love it. Okay, so there we go. You can add as much or as little as you want with this, and you can call it, and you can be good and done and so fast. If you want, here's some little extras for you. I like to take, oops, dropped a couple things. I like to take, this is our Bella bronzer, and then this is Georgia Illuminator. These just kind of finish off the look, add a little bit extra. You could get these as well as a couple eyeshadows and get the next size compact, which is what holds 8. Or you can even get another blush. Like, that's what's so nice about this product and this company is everything is customizable. So there's no like cookie cutter to anything. Like, you can pick the eyeshadows you want, you can pick the colors you want, you can pick how much product you want. It is so nice and easy, okay? But I love my bronzer, especially starting to go into winter. I'm going to lose that summer glow, and I don't want to. Then I'll brush a little bit on my neck because my neck doesn't see the sun, I feel like, very much. So I want that to be nice and tan like the rest of me, okay? And then I'm just going to take this fluffy, this is our B squared brush, by the way. I love it for applying the bronzer. I love it for applying the blush, and I love it for applying our illuminator, or in other people's minds, highlight. Okay, and then we're going to go right on top of those cheekbones. Give a little bit of that shimmer. Okay, over here. Yes, so pretty. You guys see that? Oh my goodness. And then I just dust just a little bit on the tip of the nose. Okay, and that's it. So easy. I promise you, anyone can figure this out. Anyone can do it. And if you're still confused and not quite sure if you can handle it, I have lots of other videos that are more in depth that will show you exactly how to do it, exactly how to accomplish the look for your face. If you're not quite sure what colors to order for your face, send me a message and I can get you a color match, and you can send me a selfie with no makeup, and then I can get you the exact colors for your face, everything that you need to get started. So I promise you, you will love this makeup. You need this makeup. And if you have any questions, send me a message. If you are interested in what I do, I'm an artist for Maskcara Beauty. If you're interested at all in what that is and what that means and how I'm able to make a good income for my family by sharing a makeup that I love with everyone, then send me a message and I'd be happy to answer any questions that you might have. But thanks for watching, guys. Have a great rest of your day, and shoot me a message or shoot me a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys. See ya.